I made $168 promoting Clickbank product with Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $168 with Instagram, free traffic, no followers required, step by step. I'm going to show you all the statistic and what are the strategy I used to make this $168 as a sales. And if you're first time here, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. You have all the playlist. If you're looking for free traffic method, I have a playlist here. If you're looking Facebook ad, I have a playlist, right? And you want to sell affiliate product through email marketing, I have created the playlist. And also I have a playlist, right, which I call how I made it, where I'm going to show you all of my proof. So if you really like few of my videos, right, do subscribe my channel, put that bell notification on, and do not forget to like this video, guys. This is completely free and beginner friendly method. Anybody can do it, promoting affiliate product with Instagram. So this is the product called Scare Sound Healing System, which I was promoting with Instagram. And here you can see the initial sale. I made like $335 with this 12 cent, and I bought right 1056 hops in this. Okay, and I also ran Facebook ad, guys, that I'm going to show you in a second. Only got 4 sales with Instagram. That I'm going to show you the strategy which I use, okay, with Instagram method. Okay, and this is an amazing offer. This is a new offer by Alexander Wilson, the maker of Manifestation Magic. And here you can see they have the amazing tool, like how the Manifestation Magic have it. They have given a lot of blog reviews, articles, landing page, right, ad copy creative. So this is one of the best products to promote. And then let me show you the dashboard here, the dashboard. So here you can see this, guys. I got first sale on September 5th, $41.78. The second sale was in September 8th, and the third sale is on September 9th, right, $41.78. Then here I ran the Facebook ad. Okay, that's why I got right good sales from Facebook ad. Same offer. That's how I reached $300 plus promoting the same offer. And then, guys, here you can see I got another sale from Instagram. Right here I got 2 sales, one from the same product and one from the another product. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second that. And before, I just want to show you right how I promoted this. So here you can see this is the first landing page I created. Okay, so this is the landing page, the same strategy which I covered in my last video. Okay, so here I have given the video, and at the bottom I have given the lead magnet to them. Okay, it's just very simple. And then I am right using this script. Let me show you the script here. Right, so like I have a special life-changing free video presentation designed for you with a welcome gift free for download. So whoever is following me back, guys, I am sending them this message to them, and with this landing page. Okay, this was the strategy I used in this. But one of the big drawback was, guys, I was getting only one sale from this. Okay, with only one sale. If you can see this, I got 134 views in this, but almost like 100 plus views. Few of them is my views. Okay. But no sales, only one sales. Okay, maybe because of I have given so many lead magnet. So for the next time, guys, when you welcome somebody who's following you back, that is strategy which I showed you in my last video. Make sure you're giving only one welcome bonus, not more than that. Okay, 1 or 2, that is enough. Okay, because I'm seeing that they are downloading the welcome bonuses here, but they are not watching the videos. Okay, or maybe watching the videos. I don't know what happened. Being a marketer, guys, everything you have to test. Okay, I believe in testing. So what I did was, like, I created another landing page here. Okay, I separated the gift from the video sales letter. Okay, so what I did was, like, whoever is following me back in my page, okay, or who is following my page, I am welcoming them with the welcome message. Okay, this one only, right? Hello Health Angel, welcome to Manifestation Valley. I have a special life-changing free video presentation, Scared Sound Healing, designed for you with a welcome gift free for download. Link in bio. Okay, this is what I am sending them a DM. Okay, the free video will reveal how 60-second 20 earbud and one magical healing sound vibration can instantly manifest your wildest dream into reality. This is the which I taken from the sales page. Okay, if you go to the sales page of the product, you will get all these things. So depend, guys. So this is how I welcome them, and I am started giving this page, okay, as the welcome bonus to them. Okay, who is following my page. Okay, and rest of the 3 or 4 sale I got, guys, when I started promoting directly to this offer. But I changed this page into this one. Look at this one. So here what I did was, like, I created this page, and in the bottom I have given all the testimonials, right, who use the product. Okay, and I put this URL into the bio here. So the strategy which I used here, right, with this promoting this page, okay, most of my sales bought from this page only. Now to get the traffic in this page, what you have to do guys, you have to follow the similar page of your niche, and you have to find the post which is posted recently. For example, this one which is posted like 15 hours ago, this is not going to work. You have to find a post which is posted recently, like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute back, so that the people who is like this page should be active here. And what you have to do here guys is that you have to click here and you have to follow this, okay, follow these people, okay. If they're following you back, then it's great, right? Only follow 5 to 10 people here guys, okay. If they're following you back, it's great. You can give the welcome bonus, right, the free gift, okay, which is you prepared here, that I showed you in the last video. You can watch that. Or else guys, in this method what I did was I am just sending them a sweet message, okay. You have to find some account which is open, right, like this account. Follow her page and click here and look at this, right? Make sure you're liking some of the recent posts, like her recent post. In the recent post, you just comment her this one, like, I have a special life-changing free video presentation designed for you to manifest your wildest dream into reality. Detail is on your DM, right? You have to give the detail of the video guys, okay. So you can't write this much of text in the comment and sending them her to the DM. In the DM guys, you will send her this all, right, okay. This free video will reveal how 60-second, because I want to clear her what exactly this video is, okay. So this free video will reveal how 60-second to earbud and all these things guys can clear your negativity, raise your vibration, and manifest your desire, all with the push of a button. Simply click below to see if scared sound healing can work for you, okay. And then you can give the link, or also you can say that go and check in the bio, but it's good to give the link also, okay. Any of this link, right, this link, so that they can go to this page, okay, and they will watch this video as well as they will read these testimonials here, okay. If they buy, you'll make a commission, that how I promoted this offer, okay. Or if she's following you back, give her this, right, this gift as a welcome gift, okay. That's why guys, make your account good, okay. Make your good account so that they can follow you back, okay. This is how I bought guys almost like these 4 sales. Let me show you some of the tracking which I did. So the day one, I sent 10 messages to the people in a different time zone guys. That means I have an equal interval I kept between sending messages, 1 or 2 messages, and then guys later 2 to 3 hours later send 1 to 2 messages, okay, not more than that. Otherwise Facebook may be going to put your account shadow ban. So if I send the first day, I send the 10 messages, no sales. Then I sent 10 messages on the 5th, okay. I got 5th of, I got right 1 sale here. Here you can see 5th of September, I got 1 sale here. Then there is no sales guys. Then on 8th, I made another sale. Then 9th, I made another sales, right. Every day I'm posting 10 only in a different time. As well as guys, I have sent almost 113 messages, right, and I made $168 as a sales, but only 4 sales I made guys. So that's how free traffic guys. You might be thinking this is very less sale, but that's how free traffic work. The downside of the free traffic is you can't predict how many sales you're gonna get, okay, when you're gonna get all this, okay. So I send 100 plus messages to get only 4 sales, okay, and that's what you're seeing right now, okay. So this is what the strategy I did after testing so many things, okay. You have to test different offers guys. Like I'm testing one more offer here. You can see manifestation sigil. This is a new product and I'm doing the same method and I'm not getting any sales right now. Here you can see this. I'm doing this thing from the 10th of September and till now guys, every day I'm sending messages, but I have not got any sale with this, okay. So this is the downside of the free traffic. You don't know right when you're going to get the sales, but you can make small sales with this, okay. So hope you like this strategy. It's a completely free, any beginners can do this. You don't need a followers. So if you like this guys, smash that like button, subscribe my channel to see a lot more strategies, and if you have any doubt related to this strategy guys, let me know in the comments. So smash that like button guys, keep smiling and do subscribe my channel.